freaky on a Friday night yet?
Three, two, one, go!
Hey man, what's wrong?
I don't know, man. Sometimes I don't want to move it.
Corrupt government officials? Throw them in the trash. Bad infrastructure? Throw it in the trash. Women's rights? Stop! Stop! No, stop!
What is up, you guys? Right now we're at McDonald's and it is currently 3 in the morning and we just
Sorry, I don't speak Italian. Three, two, one, go!
Gaming is intense, but talkies are seriously intense.
I am 100 meters from your location and approaching rapidly. Start running.
Hello? Is this Among Us? Imposter? Is this the imposter from Among Us?
Yes, this is me, imposter. Three, two, one, go!
Hello, Internet! Welcome to Game Theory. And on this episode, we're going to be trying to figure out who the fuck
When the imposter is sus. Big Chungus, Fortnite funny, wholesome Reddit moment, Keanu Reeves 100.
Oh, I do say that was a bit too far. Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
What's that again? Is that the funny guy or? It is the funny guy! Dude, let's make sure the funny guy! Guys, it's it! It's the funny guy!